Hey everyone! Welcome back to EngCanton Learn, your fast track to Cantonese fluency. Look at this view. If you want to say it as very beautiful, you probably know Hóu Hóu Leng. But what if you want to say super beautiful? How do you say that? Should we say Hóu Hóu Leng? Nope. Absolutely not. In this lesson, we are unlocking 3 levels of intensity words in Cantonese, from very to super. We'll use Hóu Hóu, Chīu, and Ging to modify adjectives. Let's go. Level 1 is your safe card, Hóu. Now, be careful, Hóu itself can mean good, like that's good. But when we use it before another adjective, it becomes an adverb, meaning very or really. And it works with almost any adjective. Let's practice, Hóu Hóu. The pattern is Hóu plus adjective. For example,
for a beautiful girl, you say Hóu Leng.
Hóu Leng.
For a handsome or stylish person, you say Hóu Ying. Hóu Ying.
For someone smart, you say
Hóu Le. Hóu Le.
Here is a very native and versatile one.
好正.
It means very good or awesome, and you can use it for people, things, and food. Simple, safe, and perfect for daily use.
好正啊.
But sometimes, very isn't enough. We need to go stronger. Let's level up. Level 2 is Hóu Hóu, the double Hóu. This one is powerful and full of emotion. It means something is extremely or so good, but only in specific idiomatic ways. We mostly use Hóu Hóu for things that give strong sensory pleasure, taste, sight, sound, or fun. If the food is not just good but amazing, you say
好好味. 好好味.
When you watch a really good movie, you can say
好好睇. 好好睇.
After hearing a beautiful song, say
好好聽. 好好聽.
Then you play a really fun game, say
好好玩. 好好玩.
But there are also some exceptions. For example, when complimenting someone's character, we use the double Hóu.
好好人. 好好人.
好人 means nice person, and Hóu Hóu Leng means extremely kind and good-hearted. This is one of the highest compliments in Cantonese. So, back to our trap. If we can say Hóu Hóu Leng, why can't we say Hóu Hóu Leng? The answer is, it depends on what kind of word is following the first Hóu.
Here's the rule. Hóu always modifies an adjective. Phrases like 好味 or 好睇 are adjectives as a whole. So when we say 好好味, the first 好 means very, and the second 好味 is the adjective phrase. But Leng itself is already a plain adjective. So when you say 好 Leng, you are done. It already means very beautiful.
Adding another Hóu before it sounds redundant and unnatural. Native speakers never say Hóu Hóu Leng. So what can we say if we want to say it is extremely Leng? Now for level 3, the ultimate upgrade. Use Chīu or Ging when you want to say super, ultra, or extremely. Chīu literally means to surpass, and Ging means powerful. Both are modern, trendy, and sound very local.
Chīu or Ging. Chīu, Ging.
So, if you want to say super beautiful, you can use Chīu Leng or Ging Leng. Both sound natural and expressive. Super delicious.
超好味.
Yeah! Super happy.
超開心.
Super smart.
勁叻.
Want to say super awesome or super cool? Use
超正.
The words Chīu and Ging are your flexible weapons for anything extreme. Actually, you can just combine these two words into the phrase Chīu Ging, and it basically means super powerful.
For example, 佢打機超勁.
He is super good at gaming.
Alright, we've mastered the complement phrases. To make sure it all sticks, let's do a quick recap of the 3 levels. Level 1 is Hóu. That's your standard very for any adjective. Level 2 is Hóu Hóu. This is extremely, but it's only for those fixed idiom phrases, usually for senses and feelings. And finally, for super, that's level 3, Chīu and Ging. They are the perfect, native substitute for super or ultra in modern Cantonese. Remember, Hóu Hóu Leng is wrong. Use Chīu or Ging instead. Now tell me in the comments, did you find this lesson?
超正
Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next Cantonese lesson. Gihng.